Is it time to buy or sell Bakkt Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Bakkt Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on the 19th of November, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of November, 2024, our system has identified Bakkt Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.43. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock currently resides in the upper segment of a very broad and weak upward trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $29.71 would first indicate a stronger rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 2.39% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 68.36% and positive 3.54%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of negative 51.32% over the coming year, with a possible return varying between negative 100% and negative 49.84%. This translates to a price range of $0 to $14.74 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Bakkt Holdings includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Bakkt Holdings Inc. Stock Price on Tuesday moving between $28.20 and $37.20. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, the stock price of Bakkt Holdings Inc. decreased by 1.08%, moving from $29.70 to $29.38. Throughout that day, the stock experienced significant fluctuations, ranging 31.91% from a low of $28.20 to a high of $37.20. Although the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 217.28% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on that day by 14 million shares, despite the falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 16 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $463,070,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $68.73, while the lowest price was $5.57. Currently, the price is 57.25%, or $39.35, below the 52-week high, and 99.91%, or $31,720.62, below the all-time high, recorded on the 1st of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $31,750. Bakkt Holdings, trading under the symbol BKKT, is currently in the spotlight due to reports of advanced acquisition talks with Trump Media and Technology Group. As of the 19th of November, shares of Bakkt have shown notable gains amid speculation about a potential all-share deal, although the exact valuation remains uncertain. This development coincides with Bitcoin nearing the $100,000 mark, which enhances the allure of cryptocurrency assets. Typically, such news increases investor interest in the short term and could drive the stock price higher, as evidenced by Bakkt's recent performance. The involvement of Trump media, especially considering Donald Trump's perceived pro-cryptocurrency stance, adds an additional layer of potential market optimism. The long-term implications hinge on the successful completion of the acquisition. A merger could provide Bakkt with increased resources, broader market access, and enhanced branding under a high-profile media company. However, it is important to note that market volatility and regulatory scrutiny in the cryptocurrency sector may pose risks. Overall, this strategic move underscores Bakkt's rising prominence in the cryptocurrency trading space and could position it for significant growth. Investors will be closely monitoring the outcome of these negotiations as they develop. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 9th of January, 2023, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned BKKT an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 30th of November, 2022, it was reported that Rosenblatt Securities rated BKT as a buy with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 19th of July, 2022, Citigroup rated BKKT as neutral with an initialize recommendation. Analysts have assigned Bakkt Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio also as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock another strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Bakkt Holdings. Bakkt Holdings Inc. Stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected around the levels of $16.99 and $11.76. A drop below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MAD. However, some negative signals have emerged and may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, November 18, 2024, with the stock currently down by 1.08%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 268 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 62 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Bakkt Holdings. Currently, there is no support from the accumulated volume below today's level. If the conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock tends to exhibit considerable daily movement, known as volatility, and with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $9 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 31.91%. In the last week, the daily average volatility has reached 51.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Bakkt Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and could signal potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Bakkt Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Bakkt Holdings is at $29.70. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a valuable point to consider for swing trading. Additionally, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, indicating that the stock may experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Exercise caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Bakkt Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 11th of September, 2024, Colleen B. Brown made an insider purchase of 12,228 shares of Class A common stock. On the 19th of July, 2024, Colleen B. Brown conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of Class A common stock. On the 8th of July, 2024, Joseph Sean Walsh Henderson made an insider purchase of 0 shares of Class A common stock. On the 28th of June, 2024, Sean Roberts Collins made an insider purchase of 21,875 shares of Class A common stock. On the 28th of June, 2024, Jill Simeone made an insider purchase of 11,364 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider activity is positive, with a ratio of 49.380. In total, insiders purchased 23,831,613 shares and sold 8,643,422 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $28.57, reflecting a decrease of 2.75%. This stock experiences very high daily movements, which introduces significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 83, further heightening the risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Bakkt Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Bakkt Holdings Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of November, we expect Bakkt Holdings to open at $2.21 and begin trading at $31.59. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before purchasing or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.